Hey guys, Nick here again from Quick Tech, and today we're going to be talking about the successor to the Marshall Stockwell speaker, aptly named the Stockwell 2. From a design perspective, you'll see this is quite different from the previous version, and almost aims to serve a different market altogether. I got to spend some quality time with the unit over the past few months, and we're going to talk about it. Stay tuned. Okay, so first let's get through the unboxing. Right up top you can see Marshall is claiming 20 plus hours of playtime on a single charge, and my real life results are right around that level. And you can see thanks to the strap, this thing is much more portable than the previous model, making it seem aimed at the summer beach-going crowd more than anything else. On the back you'll see some other highlights including Bluetooth 5.0, multi-directional sound, IPX4 water resistance, and multiple device capability. Inside the box, not much really going on. The speaker comes protected with a nice sheet of durable plastic, and you'll also find the manual, and the red velvet carrying strap tucked on the side. Digging a bit further, you'll also find the USB-C cable for charging. Now this is obviously a big plus in terms of connectivity, and it's good to see Marshall future-proofing a Bluetooth speaker like this, especially at its hefty price tag. So unwrapping the speaker reveals a very solidly built device, and this thing definitely has some weight to it, coming in at around 3 pounds, slightly heftier than its predecessor. So the first thing to do is to attach the carrying strap, which is very reminiscent to an electric guitar strap, paying homage to the brand's rock and roll roots. Now this actually took me a few tries and some elbow grease to get on, which is good because you certainly don't want the speaker to break free of the strap, potentially ruining the device. The speaker does have a rugged silicone protecting the edges and corners, but you obviously don't want to drop this from very tall heights if it can be avoided. So taking a closer look at the speaker, you can see this is definitely the more portable cousin of the original Stockwell speaker. The drivers are protected by a metal mesh on the front and back, much like Marshall's premium amplifiers, and the entire unit is surrounded by what they're calling roadworthy silicone. The casing should be able to handle some bumps and tossing around, but do know it is not advertised as shockproof. Now similar to the previous design, up top you will have your control knobs. So you have your volume knob and 2 separate controls for bass and treble, much like you'd find on a guitar amp bearing the same brand name. You also have a Bluetooth button to help you connect, and a battery indicator light which displays vertically, much like a volume or gain level display. On the side you have a USB-C charging port, as well as a 3.5mm input, in case one of your friends wants to plug in a Sony Walkman in the year 2020. Speaking of charging, the speaker offers quick charge, a feature often found in premium headphones, and that means just 15 minutes of charging time will give you up to 6 hours of playtime. A great feature if you forget to charge your speaker for that epic beach party. You can essentially get the entire day's worth of tunes in just 15 minutes. A full charge takes around 5 hours. Missing from this updated model is a USB out for charging devices, which isn't really a deal breaker as most people have portable battery packs today, and that feature was rarely used on the original Stockwell. There's no real lag if you decide to watch videos paired to the speaker, and also a quick note, there is no microphone, so you cannot make or receive phone calls using the unit. Now obviously most important, the audio quality. Compared to the Stockwell 1, the speaker is noticeably lower. You really need to jack the unit up to 7 or 8 just to get it audible. That said, once you pop it over 7, this will produce room-filling sound. Now the speaker uses Bloom Limb stereo sound construction, which actually fires audio out the front and back, providing a multi-directional experience, immersing you in your music indoors or out. And on the inside you have one 10-watt Class D amplifier for the woofer, and 2 5-watt Class D amps for the tweeters. The treble and bass knobs are great, and you can really transform your song's soundscape on the fly, by boosting either bass or treble as you wish. And while I would not really ever drop the levels below 5, boosting either treble or bass to the 8 to 10 range really changes the sound. We'll do a quick sound test, and then we'll come back and wrap this one up.
gets cold in April. I'll tell you it gets even colder in June. And if you don't believe me, stick around for years, you'll feel it soon. Enough, and have you ever felt so depressed you couldn't eat? You come home every night to a brand new fight until you fall asleep. What do you do when the only thing you're living for is leaving you? What do you do when the only thing half measures are off half fast. How do we ever end up this way? And I've gone down in disarray, contemplating our ignorance. Didn't we have some standards once? I hate you in your cowboy boots. I can't get away from you. I can't get away from you.
Okay, so all in all, this is a great lifestyle Bluetooth speaker. Built for the road, this is a great stylish summer speaker that will certainly get you some looks when carrying it out to your next house, beach, or pool party. The 360-degree sound is adequate to fill the backyard, and audio quality, while a bit low in volume, is still worthy enough to carry the Marshall brand name into the next decade. Pair that with its quick charge technology, USB-C interface, and volume, bass, and treble control knobs. This is a great portable speaker for folks who like to tweak their sound on the go, depending on genre, song, or mood. The price is a bit hefty at around $250 US. However, the unit does go on sale often, and I'll leave product links down in the description for the latest pricing information. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already. As always, this has been Nick from Quick Tech, wishing you a happy new year, and we'll see you in the next one.